here. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're part of the family, welcome back. For today's video, it's literally a Monday afternoon and school's out. It's the summer and we're like, what are we gonna do? So we're thinking of making our own ice cream. And recently we've been trying to go paleo, so we're gonna do, sorry, my hair's bugging me. Okay, so we're gonna do a paleo, I guess, vegan ice cream. And it's made with like bananas and stuff. And I have the recipe here. I haven't done it before. This is the first time that we're gonna make it, right? Mm-hmm. Right? So hopefully it turns out good. So if you wanna know how to make paleo ice cream, keep watching. Okay, don't fall. Okay. All right, guys, so the recipe calls for 3 bananas, but our little food processor here is really small. So we're only gonna do half the recipe, or we're gonna do half the recipe at a time, okay? So we have 1.5 bananas here. Lucia, show them. This is our small little food processor. So 1.5 bananas, and we're gonna add 1/4 cup of cream of coconuts, all right? Crema de coco. We're gonna do this right now. All right, here we go. This is about 1/4 cup cream of coconuts. All right, and the next thing we're gonna do is 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Here's the maple syrup. So we're gonna do, all right, so we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of the maple syrup.
I'm doing the other side because then people will see.
And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're doing vanilla extract. Vanilla. All right, here we go. And then we're gonna customize it to however we want. So let's go ahead and put the lid in here. I think we may have room to finish the rest of the recipe. So let's do the rest. So let's put in the half of the banana that we had there and a whole banana. It's easier if you chop it up. Okay. Another tablespoon of the maple syrup. So we're gonna add another 1/4 cup of the coconut cream. Whoop. We have a few here, a few of the bananas that have not crumbled yet. This is already smelling so good. Luke is up.
Here you go.
All right, here we go. So look at how this looks, guys. Wow. So delicious. All right. All right, guys, so now we're gonna put it in our container so we can freeze it.
Come on.
Empty all of it in here. All right, guys, so now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna add some chocolate chips.
Yay.
These are just small, semi-sweet chocolate chips on the top. All right, and so we're gonna go ahead and freeze this for I think like 3 or 4 hours. All right, guys, so now we're gonna do a chocolate one, okay? So we're gonna do the same thing with our 3 bananas. All right, go, Lucia. Put it high. So now we're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of cacao powder because we're gonna make this into chocolate ice cream, okay? We're gonna add some chocolate chips so we can make it a little chunky. Luke, ayúdame.
And yummy.
And now we're just gonna pulse it. Just to get them all mixed in there. All right. All right, so we're gonna put it into our bowl.
That one went way smoother.
I know, right? And now we're gonna go ahead and put the lid. And again, just like the other one, we're gonna freeze it for 3 to 4 hours. So see you in 3 to 4 hours. All right, friends, so it has been exactly 3 hours since we did our paleo vegan ice cream. And I know it said 3 to 4 hours, but I just can't wait. I really wanna try it, so let's do it. All right, here we go. So here's our banana vanilla one, kind of. Scoop it. Ooh, yeah. Look at that.
That looks so good.
We're gonna go ahead and put it here. Still a little soft, so it might, you know, maybe leave it a little longer. And then this guy might be a little well. Ooh, yeah.
That one looks good.
I know, right? All right, so now we're gonna try it. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Rico. Now let's do the chocolate one. Mmm. So good. Oh my goodness. You wanna try some, Nathan?
Let's try some.
Isn't it so good? Try the chocolate one. Hold on, Lukey. Right? Now Lukey's mixing them. Well, of course he is. Guys, this could even be dinner because it's so healthy, right? Yeah. All right, guys, so that's about it. I think it came out pretty good. This is our first time doing it. And it's good, right? Say, say yummy. Yummy, yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have tried this recipe or if you guys decide to try it after watching this video and how you guys like it and the different toppings that you guys put on your ice cream, healthy ice cream. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Did you like the ice cream? Are you having it for dinner? And it's healthy, guys, so they can have all they want. You just have to go to the store and buy some more bananas, right?
Should make a mint one.
A mint one?
Yeah.
Hey, maybe we should try that next time. Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It actually means the world to me that you guys actually take the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I have a few messages for you guys. It won't take long at all, I promise. All right, so number one, I accept prayer requests. So if there's anything that you are going through, anything that you want prayer over, just go ahead and contact me either through a comment below, an email, private message, whatever way that you want, so I can add you to a prayer list that me and my family have, and we pray for every single day. We have seen the power of prayer in our lives, and we want to share that with you guys. All right, number 2, if you are on Instagram, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I go live Monday through Friday and I do a small devotional / Bible study, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, but it's just something that you guys can listen to throughout the day to get you connected to the Lord and to His Word. And lastly, number 3, if you are not following me, totally subscribe, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I would love for you to join our family. We have so much fun here. I do my best to upload twice a week, usually Tuesdays and Fridays, and I do videos about anything and everything. I do beauty, I do fashion, I do recipes, I do about my life, I do hauls, I do some of my favorite products. Honestly, a little bit of everything where my kids are involved, and it's just so much fun. So I would love for you to join our family if you want. All right, that's about it. Thank you so much. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.